How to log into HDFC Bank Netbanking services. First up, open up any kind of web browser of your choice and on the search bar, type up HDFC Bank. As shown in the screen, you can then see a list of different kind of results. Among the results, click on the first link, that is the official HDFC Bank website. After clicking on the link, you will be then redirected to a new portal which will open up as shown on the screen. Once you are logged in completely, on the top right, you can see a login option. While moving your cursor over the option, you can see a net banking option at the top. Click on the net banking option and then you will be redirected again to a new portal. Here you will be asked to type in your customer ID or your user ID. Type in your customer ID or your user ID correctly in the given space there, and if you have forgotten your customer ID, you can also click in the Forgotten Customer ID option down below. Type in your user ID correctly in the given space and then click on Continue, and then you will be asked to enter your password or IPIN. If you have forgotten your password or IPIN, you again have an option to click on the Forgot Password or IPIN option right below. After entering your password correctly, click on the Login option and then you will be successfully logged in to your HDFC Bank Net Banking services.